12 health benefits of ginger tea. Ginger was used as a health tonic about 5,000 years ago in China, and today we are going to see why. So welcome to MetaLab Zone. The flavor of ginger tea is warming and slightly spicy. This can be turned into a great refreshing tea by letting steep, dried, or fresh ginger sit in hot water for a few minutes. People love it, and I'm going to tell you why. You can also check the link in the description. Subscribe and keep in touch to get all the nutrition facts you need to know. If you have any concerns in the area of nutrition, put them in the comments so we can answer you with a new video. So, what are the benefits of ginger tea? Number 1. Nutritious. A single tablespoon of fresh ginger contains 4.8 calories, 1.07 grams of carbohydrates, 0.12 grams of dietary fiber, 0.11 grams of protein, 0.05 grams of fat, and 0.1 grams of sugar. Yeah, I'm also amazed by that. But the list continues with iron, potassium, vitamin C, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, vitamin B3, and B6. Number 2. Boosts immunity. Due to its strong antibacterial properties that can help to ward off dangerous pathogens and its anti-inflammatory effects, ginger can help to strengthen your immune system and keep you safe. Number 3. Prevents nausea and vomiting. The ability of ginger tea to relieve digestive discomfort is probably its most well-known benefit. It can help reduce nausea and vomiting brought on by motion sickness, chemotherapy, and pregnancy. They say that ginger can do all of this. Number 4. Improve cognitive function. A cup of ginger tea can boost energy and focus while helping to improve concentration. Research suggests that ginger has a brain protective effect and can support cognitive processing and attention skills. Number 5. Aids in weight loss. Ginger may reduce obesity through various mechanisms, such as regulating appetite and boosting heat production. So it may be beneficial to include ginger tea as part of a balanced diet. Number 6. Helps in reducing pain and inflammation. For centuries, people have used ginger for its anti-inflammatory properties. Gingerol and show-gel compounds in ginger inhibit the synthesis of pro-inflammatory markers. This is especially beneficial in reducing knee osteoarthritis pain. Number 7. Helps when you have a sore throat and cold. Ginger can help treat sore throats, reduce congestion, and prevent colds. Researchers discovered ginger is more effective than some antibiotics at combating the bacteria that cause strep throat and the human respiratory syncytial virus. Number 8. Reduces menstrual cramps. Menstrual cramps were successfully reduced by ginger, and it's also proven that they can lessen the period duration and intensity. Sometimes taking ginger may be just as effective at relieving pain as taking ibuprofen or other over-the-counter pain relievers. Number 9. Relieve stress. The calming effects of ginger tea may help you feel less stressed and tense. This is attributed to a combination of ginger's potent aroma and therapeutic qualities. Number 10. Helps you fight cancer. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may help prevent some cancers. According to studies, ginger may help prevent the body from producing cancer cells. Of course, ginger is not enough, but it can fend off degenerative diseases. Number 11. Protects your heart. Lowering blood pressure, aiding in the prevention of heart attacks and blood clots, relieving heartburn, lowering cholesterol, and improving blood circulation is all needed